Good morning, Sonia and Fiorella from AnyHouseCleaning.com. It's windy, it's cold, but they hire us to do a deep cleaning inside this house. All the carpets, the sofa, and a rug area. So we are preparing everything. The first step is vacuuming the carpet to remove all the dry soil before flushing. We are doing this procedure because we have to flush the carpet because it was some dog urine on the carpet. It has some stains, and beside that, I'm gonna report this. And beside that, it has a really strong odor of urine, said the owner. So the procedure is vacuuming to remove as much as we could in soil, and then we're gonna flush it. We flip the carpet and we are vacuuming both sides to remove all the soil, and then we're gonna saturate with water first, and then change the water, put more water with enzymes, and then cleaning. Now we are pre-treating, and we are putting some enzymes into the rug. We saturate the enzyme product, and we are gonna let it sit at least 30 minutes. We put a rack behind, so the product is gonna go through the fiber and remove not only the stains or the spots or the urine, but also break any organic product. We put again the rock on top of the rack after extraction, and we are trying. I put 4 blowers and I put the rock on top of the rack because the blowers I'm gonna dry from top and from the bottom. I don't know if you can see it.